Hello friends, today I am going to discuss with you the topic is English a boon or curse for India. As we all know that India got independence on 15th August 1947 from British. The ruling language of British was English. They used it for administration and communication purpose. As we all know, India is a multilingual country. There are mainly 23 languages and around 2000 dialects are spoken here. When British left India, Indian government wanted to make one common language that was spoken throughout the length and breadth of the country, but it couldn't. As in eastern side, Assamese, Bengali, Oriyan are spoken, in west side Gujarati and Rajasthani are spoken, in the north side Kashmiri, Punjabi are spoken, and in southern side Tamil, Telugu and Kannada are spoken. And in the center of India is the highest Hindi speaking belt. So to connect and bind India together and to the world, our government chose English for education and administration purpose. By then, India's very few educated mass were familiar with English language and they progressed. As we know, more than 70% of Indian population lies in rural areas. For them, English became a foreign language. They were not able to cope up with the language. There are proverbs in India that say, mother is the first teacher and home is the first school of every child. To a child, no one teaches his mother's tongue. They learn and absorb it by observing others speaking. But as English became totally foreign language, however hard they tried, they couldn't connect with the subject. Slowly, child or student gets fear or phobia and he starts bunking school and eventually becomes school dropout. And hence illiteracy have increased very much and the progress of the country was hampered. The purpose of making English compulsory made more harm than good. Some sort of discrimination started between the English speaking people and English not knowing people. English became a status symbol and the dreams of the students who didn't know English were shattered. The purpose of making English compulsory was to connect India together and open door to the world. It serves its purpose to very little. Where it went wrong was government policies, education department didn't implement it properly. English has to be taught from the root level, interactively and innovatively. English teachers come from the same soil, they also can't cope up it properly. Ignorance of educated mass towards their fellow rural countrymen also worsened the literacy rate in India. At least now the government policies, educational system and learned people must focus on the topics. Friends, I have summarized it in points. You people take a screenshot and learn the essay or make the points. In India, a movement has to be started to teach and learn English. If you like this, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.